You can see here iPhone 4 no service searching issue. Now how to get rid of this issue? You can see your setting, go to setting. In setting you need to go to scroll it down, find somewhere. You can see here general, go to general setting. In general setting, just scroll down, you can see a reset. Just go to reset. You can see here several reset settings. So you go to reset network setting. Just click on reset network setting. Reset network setting. Click on reset network setting. Now see, iPhone is resetting the network setting. Once resetting the network setting is done, you will see your service will start working. This is the one way how you can fix your no service searching problem, network problem in your iPhone.